These are episode 3 of BFDM. Hello, I'm Duct Tape, and this is my 5 Kisses So full of you. What? You're for animation. Let's get out for animation. Alright, everyone, we got 19 votes, and we do like a visual use one visit. Myers, yay! So, this is what? You are safe with 79 votes and walking so wait a sec. 96 map what? You're eliminated with 61 votes. Oh my god, sorry. A walking is safe with 80 votes. Possibly for next time to give a button. Go up 2 cells and go down and press the button when you're done. The one person gets immunity. 3, 2, 1, go. I can make it. Yes, I got the button for me. Boo. No. No. What? Oh no! We did give a button! Oh my god. Were you serious? Yeah! I got the button ready. I pressed the button. What? Oh my god, we lose it. Good job, try. Shampoo. It looks like Shampoo get immunity if 3 of you is up for animation. Here's going to be eliminated next episode. And Abigail's most supposed to leave the show for us at 100 hours.